Hello everyone, summer is here and that means I need cold snacks for my kids. So today I'm going to show you how to make homemade popsicles similar to the ones you would find in those long plastic sleeves. Here's the catch though, these are secretly healthy. They got lots of 100% juices and other fresh fruit or veggie goodies in there. I'll be showing you 4 different versions in this video, but really if you follow the basic guideline I lay out in the video, you'll be able to customize and make any flavor combo your heart desires. Let's dive in and make some cool sweet treats. Up first is the Beet and Berries. The basic guideline for each of these mixes is as follows. 1 cup of frozen fruit, half a cup of juice, 1/4 cup of water. The water you can add more or less as desired.
I got this. I'll do it with my spoon.
It's a big spoon.
I'll do it.
For the Beet and Berry Popsicles, add 1 cup of mixed berries to a blender. We also added in about half a cup of spinach to this for some hidden veggie action.
Thank you.
Eating them.
For the juice, add in 1/4 cup of beet juice.
It's like, look at this. This is so red. Wow.
This will help make a real deep purple color. Along with this, 1/4 cup of pomegranate juice. Something like cherry juice would also work great for this. Take the mix and blend it up until smooth.
We're gonna blend. Woo!
I'm gonna do it.
Gotta push really hard.
It's not working. Yeah.
After this, check the consistency and add water if you need it thinner. For our popsicle mixes, we normally added about 1/4 cup of water, and do a quick blitz in the blender again to combine. After the mix is ready, get your popsicle molds or bags of choice and add in the mixes. We got these bags from Amazon. They were pretty convenient in that they just ziplock shut at the top when they are filled.
I'm so nervous.
Are you nervous?
What?
Me too.
And they came with a nice little convenient funnel. I'll leave a link to the ones we used here in the video description below.
Woo-hoo.
One trick to help with filling is to have the bag in a tall glass to keep it from tipping over.
It's holding.
Also, a quick shout out to my wife, because if it wasn't already clear, those have been her hands and not mine preparing these popsicles. Thanks, Mama Tui. I was busy running around the house with my kids playing tag or an adventure game. I think we were trying to find the missing pirate treasure for the sailor Captain Turbot from Paw Patrol. After the popsicle bag is filled, it is ready for the freezer. These will end up laying down flat in the freezer to firm up.
Okay, mango.
A mango and a mango and a mango and a wagon and a wagon and a wagon.
Flavor number 2, mango carrot. For these, the mix is 1 cup of frozen mango. You can find bags of prepped cubed mango like this at most grocery stores. To the frozen mango, add 1/4 cup of orange juice and 1/4 cup of carrot juice. Not only does the carrot juice get some veggie vitamins mixed in, but it gives a great, fun, and bright orange color to the popsicle. Same as before, blend this together until completely smooth, check consistency, and likely add about 1/4 cup of water to thin it out. Fill up the popsicle bags with the mix and they are ready for the freezer. These mango carrot ones were really good. It might be my favorite of the 4 in this video. The mango flavor is excellent, but the way the carrot juice helps make it such a bright orange is what tops it off for me. Also, the flavor from the carrot is a great bonus. It does complement the mango well.
That's pretty delish, I gotta say. Maybe I should make more of this one. This one's gonna be interesting.
Flavor number 3, Kiwi Banana Spinach. This one is a little different because the fruit is fresh, but the general idea is still along the same guideline from before. This mix has 2 fresh kiwis that have been cut and diced up, 1 whole banana, split in half so it fits into the blender cup, 1 heaping cup of spinach. Really stuff it in there and get those veggies. And for the juice, half a cup of orange juice. Blend this all together and add water if needed. We added 1/4 cup. Pour the mix into the popsicle pouches and once again ready to freeze. These ones are really good. The kiwi has such a good sweet and sour flavor for a popsicle. The banana actually gives it a bit of texture, which is nice, helping it from being too icy. And the spinach gives it a nice deep green color, along with its health benefits, of course.
Some might call it chartreuse.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Flavor number 4, Pineapple Passion. For the last flavor today, add 1 cup of frozen pineapple chunks to the blender cup. To help make the color a brighter yellow, add in a pinch of turmeric. None of the turmeric flavor comes through really, it's just to help make them more yellow and less pale. For the juice, add in half a cup of passion fruit juice. Orange juice would be fine for this too, but the passion fruit really makes the flavor extra tropical. Blend this until smooth and add about 1/4 cup of water to thin it out. If you want even more tropical flavor, use coconut water instead of water for thinning it out. You'll also get some extra bonus electrolytes if you do this too.
Dad, I can't grab that.
Yeah. Pour out this final mix into the popsicle pouches and they're ready to freeze. If you are into tropical flavors, this one is the flavor for you. Perfect to cool you off on a hot summer day.
Dad, what's the jungle with that?
And now you know how to make homemade popsicles, and way healthier than the typical pouch version. Try out these flavor recipes if you need some inspiration, but don't forget that if you follow this general guideline, you can make most any flavor you want. Here it is on the screen again. Take a screenshot, picture, share with your friend, email it to yourself. It's your simple guide to making delicious popsicles and never having to buy them from the store again.
Come on, now we're going to the jungle.
If any of you do make a fun combo, please comment what it is and let us know. I know I would like to try new flavors for sure. Also, if you want to use the popsicle bags that were shown in this video, I'll leave the link to the ones we used in the video description. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please consider leaving a like to this video. Also, subscribe if you like sweet treats or hidden veggies. I like sharing recipes that are both delicious and have healthy twists, so follow along to see more. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.